Okay children, in the previous class you all learned about how to find the greatest and smallest 4-digit numbers without repetition of numbers. Okay, so this is a new topic, that is with repetition of numbers. Okay, so the heading which is given in your textbook is to make the greatest and smallest 4-digit numbers by using any number twice. Okay, so the first problem which we will be taking is 387. In this we have to find the greatest and smallest digit number. So in these three numbers, which is the greatest number? 8. 8 is the greatest number. So what we have to find? We have to find the greatest number and we have to use any number twice. So to find the greatest number, we can use the greatest number only twice and form a number. Okay. So greatest number is 8, we are using 8 twice and writing it. So the next greatest number 8 is done. The next greatest number among 7 and 3 is 7. So that you will be writing it next. Then remaining is 3. Okay. So the number which we formed by using 3-digit number is 8873. Okay. And like that only we have to find the smallest 4-digit number by using this 3-digit number. So it's same as how we found out the greatest number. Like which is the smallest number in these three? 387. Which is the smallest? 3. 3 is the smallest. So we'll write that as first. So to find the smallest 4-digit number, we'll use small digit number 3 twice. Next small digit number is 7. Next is 8. So the number which we formed by using 3-digit numbers is 3378. Okay. Got it children? So next problem. Okay children, let's solve the another problem. Okay. So the next given problem is 905. So in this 905, which is the smallest digit? We have to find the greatest number. No. So which is the bigger number we have among these three numbers? 9. 9 is the bigger number. So the condition is what? Using any number twice. We have to use the number twice and form the 4-digit number. So to find the greatest number, we'll use the greater number twice. So 9 we'll use it twice. Okay. Next, this is done. So the remaining is what? 0 and 5. Which is the greatest number? 5. 5 is the greatest number. Next, which is the greatest number? Which is the remaining one? 0. Okay. Okay. So the number which we formed with these three numbers is what? 9950. Okay. The next problem. Next we have to find the smallest number. In these three, which is the smallest number? 0. As I told you, the smallest number, to find the greatest number, we'll use greatest number twice. To find the smallest number, we'll use the smaller number twice. So we'll use smaller number twice. So after 0, the smaller number is what? 5. Then the remaining is what? 9. So 0059. But one condition we should follow is that the number which we form cannot start with 0. The number which we form should not start with 0. So what to do? In that case, we have to shift these two numbers after the next number. Okay. Understood, children? We should not begin the number with 0. So what should we do? Shift these two zeros after the next number, that is 5. Shift these two here, 0, 0, 9. This will remain same. Okay. So we are changing only this. So that 0, 0 we are shifting here. Okay. So the number which we formed is 5009. This is wrong. This is correct. Okay. We have to not write like this because 0 should not, the number which we form should not start with 0. So we have to shift the zeros after the next digit. Okay. Understood? Let us solve another problem of that type. The next problem is 049. In this, which is the greatest number? 9. Next, among 0 and 4, which is the greatest number? 4. Sorry, we have to repeat the number twice. So, we will repeat 9 twice. Then the remaining is what? 4. The next small number is 0. So, the number which we formed is 9940. Okay. The next smallest number we have to find. So, in 049, which is the smallest number? 0, 0. And which is the smallest in leftover numbers? 4 is the smallest number. The next number is 9. So, the condition what I told, 0, 0 should not start in the beginning of the number. So, what should we do? We should shift this 0, 0 after the next digit number. That is what, children? 4109 will be the answer. We are shifting 4 after 2 digits. Okay. So, this will be the answer. Understood, children? In this, what did you learn newly is what? The number should not begin with 0. So, if you get that number that is beginning with 0, you should shift the zeros after the next digit number like this and write the answer. Okay. So, the next problem is 8, 5 and 1. So, in 8, 5 and 1, which is the larger number? 8. 8 is the bigger number. So, we should use 8 twice to form the greater number. Okay. So, the next bigger number is 5. Then 1. Okay. So, we formed the greatest number. Then we have to find the smallest number. So, among 8, 5 and 1, which is the smallest number? 1. 1 is the smallest number. So, to find the smallest number, we will use the smaller number twice. So, you are writing 1 twice. Okay. So, the next smaller number is 5. So, the remaining is 8. So, the number which we formed is 1158. Okay. Understood, children, how to find the greatest and smallest 4-digit number by using any number twice? So, the main condition you have to keep in your mind is when the number starts with 0. Okay. That you have to do it carefully by remembering this. Okay. Okay, children. Next topic is what we are going to learn is To find the greatest and smallest 4-digit number using any 4 different digits with condition as given. Okay. So the condition is given here. What is the condition? Digit 7 is always at ones place. So digit 7. So you can form any number. The number is not given. You can write any number, but the condition is what? The digit should always be in ones place. So you can write it down: thousands, hundred, tens and ones place. So the condition is what? 7 is always in, mark the condition, 7 should always be in ones place. So 7 is in ones place. Okay. So the remaining thousands place, hundreds place and tens place, you can fill any number as you wish. So I will consider number 9 and any number you can write. Okay. 8, 6 and 7. So this is the number which I have considered. You can also write any number as you wish, but the digit should not be repeated. Okay. If they ask the digit should be repeated, then you can repeat. Otherwise, please don't repeat the digits twice. Okay. Like that only you have to find the smallest number. So for smallest number also the condition is the same, that is 7 should be in ones place. So the smallest number is what? Starts from which number? Smallest number is from 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So 0 we can't consider. So I'll consider 1. Okay. So the next smallest number is what? 0 you can consider. Like after one digit number you can consider 0. And next smallest digit is 2. So I'll write 2. Okay. In this also. So bigger, why did I consider 9 is that in this bigger number is what? From 0 to 9. So bigger number is what? 9 is the bigger number. So to find the greatest number I have written 9. Okay. So the next bigger number after 9 is what? 8. 8 is the bigger number. So I considered 8. So the next number after 8 is 7. So 7 is already written. So the remaining is 6. So I have written 6. Okay. So this is what you can easily find and write. So the next problem is digit 4 is always at tens place. Digit 4 is at tens place. So thousands place. If you write this place value chart, it will be easier to write the number for you. Okay. Tens place and ones place. So 4 is always in tens place. So this is tens place, no? So 4 is in tens place. So the remaining 3 values we have to fill. So what is the greatest digit number from 0 to 9? 9 is the greatest digit number. So I will consider 9. Okay. So the next digit after 9, which is the bigger number? 8. So I will write 8. And the next digit after 8, what is the bigger number? 7. So I'll write 7. Or else you can write any digit number which is greater. Okay. Don't write from starting like 1, 2, 3. Starts from 9, 8, 7 like that you can start. So that it will be in descending order. Okay. So the next number is smallest number. So the condition is, we'll write it down. 4 is at tens place. So the remaining part is 1. 1 is the smallest number. Then again 0. Then 2. You can fix these numbers if you get confused, okay. So for smallest, what will be the starting smallest number? 1. Next smallest number will be 0 or 2, like that. Okay, if you don't write 0 also, you can write 2, then 3, okay. Okay children, let us solve the next problem. That the given condition is digit 9 is always at hundreds place. So digit 9 is always at hundreds place. So thousands, hundreds, tens and ones have written the place value chart. Then the greatest number is what? 9 is fixed in 100 place. So the remaining 3 place we have to fill. So after 9, which is the greatest number we have? So 8. So 9 is already done. From 0 to 9, 9 is already done. So the remaining is what? 0 to 8. So 8 is the greatest number. From 0 to 8, 9 is also done, 8 is also done. So what we have to consider from 0. Let us solve the next problem, that is fourth problem. The given condition is what in fourth problem? Digit 1 is always at thousands place. So digit 1 is at thousands place. So first is what? You will write the place value chart and fix the number at 1 at thousands place. Okay. So the bigger number from 0 to 9 is what? That is 9. 9 is the bigger number. After 9, which is the biggest number we have from 0 to 9? 8. 8 is the bigger number. Then what? 7. Okay. Next smallest number. 1 is fixed at thousands place. So the smaller number from 0 to 9 is what? 1. Because 0 we can't consider at starting place. But starting already 1 is there, no? So we can consider 0 as now the smallest number. Next smallest number after 0 and 1 is what? 2 will be the smallest number. After 2, what is the smallest number we have? 3. So the number which we formed is 1023. Okay. Okay children, did you get how to find the greatest and smallest 4-digit numbers by using the condition given? Okay. Next we'll go for another problem. The next problem which given in your textbook, that is page number 4, fourth one is what? Take 2 digits, say 2 and 3, make 4-digit numbers using both the digit equal number of times. Okay. So we have to take two digits, as they told, we have to take 2 and 3 and make use of both the digits equal number of times. So which is the greatest number and which is the smallest number, we have to find out. And the third question is what they have given is how many different numbers can you make in all. So first we'll use 2 and 3 and find out the greatest number. So we should use both the number equal number of times, no? So which is the bigger number in 2 and 3? In 2 and 3, which is the bigger number? 3 is the bigger number. So you can write that first. Okay. Next, we have to use find the 4-digit number, and you can use both the digit as equal number of times. So to find the 4-digit number, so how many times can you use 2 numbers? See, for example, you have 2 numbers. How many times you can use these 2 numbers? For example, 2 2s is what? 4. So 2 numbers can be used 2 times. Okay. So How many times can we use these two numbers? 2 times we can use each number and make a 4-digit number. Okay. So we are using 3 twice. Then next number is 2. 2 you can use twice. So the 4-digit number is formed. So next we have to find what? Smallest number. So which is the smallest number among 2 and 3? 2 is the smallest number. So 2 you can use twice. And 3 you can use twice. So it's we have used equal number of times, no? 2 and 3. Both the numbers we have used equal number of times. Here also we have used 2 times, 3 also we have used 2 times, 2 also we have used 2 times. So we have used it equal number of times. So how many different numbers can you make in all? So the third question is what? How many different numbers can you make? So the third question is how many different numbers can you make in all? By using 3, 3, 2, 2 or 2, 2, 3, 3, how many different numbers can be used? We can use as 3, 3, 2, 2 and 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. You can reverse it. You can do this here. You can do this here like that. Okay. So next is 2, 2, 3, 3. Next 2, 3, 2, 3. Next 2, 3, 3, 2. So how many different numbers did we find? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 different numbers can be formed by using 2 digits, that is 2 and 3, with using both the digit equal number of times. So we have used both the digit twice, so that we have used equal number of times and we can form a 4-digit number. Okay, did you understand? Okay children, let us do one activity now. Say you have 3 friends, including you will be the 4th one. So you will have, there will be 4 students. Okay, you will have 4 friends. For example, Ram. This person name is Ram. Next is Dolly. Next you have the friend called Mohan. Next you have Shashi. Okay, the name called Shashi. So the name called Ram, the height of the person is how much? 160 kilometer. So the name Dolly person, what is the height of that person? 154 kilometer. Next, the height of the person of Mohan is 158 kilometer. Next, Shashi. See, you think you have 4 friends? Their name is Ram, Dolly, Mohan and Shashi. Ram is how much tall? He is 160 centimeter. His height is 160 centimeter. Dolly's height is 154 centimeter and Mohan's height will be 158 centimeter and Shashi's height will be 159 centimeter. So, see children, in this numbers you can find who is the tallest among all these. See, 160, 154, 158 and 159. Which is the bigger number among all these 4 numbers? Obviously, 160 is the bigger number. So who is the tallest among all the four? Ram. 160 is whose height? Ram's height. So who is tallest? Tallest is Ram. Okay. Then the next is, who is the shortest? Who is the shortest among these four people? Ram, Dolly, Mohan, Shashi. So the smaller number among these four number is 154. That is, whose height is 154? Dolly's height. So shortest is who? Dolly is shorter. Okay. By seeing these numbers, by seeing their heights which is given, you can find the who is tallest among these four and who is shortest among these four. Okay. Can you arrange them in increasing order of their heights? Yeah, we can arrange them. See, for example, you will stand in a queue by going to the games period or PT period. So how will you stand? You will stand in increasing order or decreasing order. That is height by height. So first let us arrange in increasing order. Okay. So let us write in increasing order. So who will come first? Who will come first? Who will stand first? Increasing order is what? It's from bigger number to increasing order is what? It's from smaller number to big number. It keeps on increasing. So the smaller number is whose? Dolly's. So Dolly will come first. Next, who is after Dolly? Who is shorter? Dolly is done. So the remaining is these three. So who is shorter among these three? Ram, Mohan and Shashi. Mohan is shorter. His height is 158. So Mohan will stand next. Okay. Next, the remaining is who? Ram and Shashi. Who is the shorter? Shashi is shorter. Okay. After Shashi, who will stand? The remaining person? Ram will stand. So height is keep on increasing, right? It's starting from shortest to tallest. Okay. You will arrange these people in increasing order by seeing their heights. Okay. Next, we will arrange these people in decreasing order. We will arrange them in decreasing order. Okay. So the first, who is taller among all this? Decreasing means what? From big number to small number. So who is taller? Which is the biggest number? Ram. So Ram will be first. Then Ram is done. So next, after Ram, who should stand? Which is the bigger number after 160? 159. So who is that name? Shashi. So after Shashi, who should stand? Mohan. After Mohan, who will stand? Dolly. Okay. So Did you get, children? Increasing order is from, we are arranging the heights from smaller number to bigger number. That is, Dolly will come first, Mohan, Shashi and Ram. Decreasing order means we are arranging from bigger number to smallest number. That is from Ram, Shashi, Mohan and Dolly. From bigger number to smaller number we are arranging it. Okay. So in this activity what did we learn is, we found how to find the tallest among all and how to find the shortest among all people and how to write in increasing order and decreasing order of their heights. Okay. You have one more activity. Okay. Let us see you can do by your own. For example, Sohan and Rita went to buy an Almira. There were many Almiras available with their price tag. Okay. There will be two people called Sonal and Rita. Okay. They went to buy some Almira. There were many Almiras available. Okay, with their price tag. They went to some shop to buy that and they found many Almiras with their price tag. For example, okay, this is the Almira thing. Okay. So there are different tags with them. That is, this is the price tag which is attached to that product. So the price tag is fixed and can you arrange, we can arrange them in increasing order. They have asked to arrange this in increasing order. So we'll arrange. Okay. So the bigger number, increasing order means what? From smaller number to bigger number. The smallest price among these five is what? The smallest is what? 2635. How do you find the smallest number? You can, as I told you, you can write the number of digits. You have all four digits. So what is the next condition? You will see first number. You will see the first number. So the first number is what? Okay. So which is the smallest among these 2, 1, 2, 1, 3? Which is the smallest? 1 is the smallest. So 1 you have twice, that is year and year. So next condition is what? You have to go to the next number, that is 8 and 7. So 8 and 7, which is the smallest number? 7 is the smallest number. So that will be first 1788. This is done. So the remaining after 1788, which is the smallest number, we have into 1, 2, 3. 1 is the smallest. So 1. The remaining is what? 1897. So this is also done. So remaining in 2, 2, 3. Which is the smallest number? 2 is the smallest number. But 2 we have 2 numbers. So what will you do? See the next digit after 2. So next digit after 2 is what? In this number 6. In this number it's 8. So which is the smallest among 6 and 8? 6 is the smallest. So this will be the smallest. 2, 6, 3, 5. Okay. The next smallest digit after this is what? The remaining 2854. Okay. The next digit after the remaining is what? And obviously 3975. Okay. 3975 is the smallest digit. So we have arranged the numbers from smaller number to bigger number. So the next is what? We have to arrange in decreasing order. Decreasing order means what? We have to arrange the numbers from bigger number to smaller number. So which is the biggest number among three? Obviously see the first number, that is 21213. 3 is the biggest number, so you will write that as bigger number first. Okay. So the remaining is what? 2121. Which is the bigger number? So 2 is the bigger number. So among 2 we have two numbers. As I told you, see the next number, that is 6 and 8. After 2 there are 6 and 8. So 6 and 8, which is the bigger number? 8 is the bigger number. So write that as next bigger number. Then this is also done. So in 1, 2, 3, which is the bigger number? 2, 6, 3, 5. Sound kadme kodu. The next bigger number after 2854 is 2. So 2635 is there. So we will write 2635. The remaining is these two, 1897 and 1788. In this you have 1 1 twice. So what you will do? See the next number after 1. You have 8 and 7. 8 and 7, which is the bigger number? 8. So that you will write next, 1897. So the remaining is 1788. So we arrange this in decreasing order as they told. You can think 5 more situations and compare 3 or more quantities and arrange them in increasing and decreasing order. Okay. As I told you, ascending order is same as increasing order. That is what ascending order means: arrangement of numbers from smaller number to bigger number. That is same as increasing order. Descending order is what? Arrangement of number from bigger number to smaller number. It is same as decreasing order. Okay, don't get confused in increasing and decreasing order and ascending and descending order. In page number 5 in your textbook, they have given some problems to try. Okay, so let us try those examples. Okay children, we will take 2 examples to arrange them in ascending order. So the first problem is they have given 4 numbers. Okay, so in these 4 numbers, as I told you, how to find out. First you will write the number of digits in each number and find which is the ascending is what? From smaller to bigger. So which is the smallest number? You have 3 and 3. So you have equal number of digits. So you have to see the first number, that is 8 and 5. So 8 and 5, which is the smallest? 5 is the smallest. So that you will be writing first. Okay. So this is done. So the remaining is what? 874. Smallest number. Compared to 4 and 4, you have equal number of digits. So what you have to do? See the first digit in both. So in 9 and 8, which is the smallest number? 8 is the smallest number. So that number you will write. So the remaining is what? 9754. So easily we found out how to arrange these numbers in ascending order. So next problem let us solve. The next problem is we'll write the number of digits in each number. Okay, so in this, which is the smallest number? 4555. In these 5 numbers, which is the smallest digit? 4. So which is the number which has 4 digits? That is 9801. So the remaining is these 3. So in these 3, which is the smallest is what? We have equal number of digits in all the 3 numbers. So what will you do? You will have to see the starting number, that is 2, 3 and 3. So which is the smallest among 2, 3, 3? Smallest is 2. So that number you will write next. So next, this 2 is remaining. In these 2, which is the smallest number? We have equal number, that is 3 and 3. 3 and 3 you have, no? So you have to again consider the next digit after 3, that is 6 and 8. In 6 and 8, which is the smallest number? 6. So that you will write next. So after remaining is what? 38,802. So this is how you write arranged in ascending order. Okay. Okay, let us find out, let us take an example to write the numbers in descending order. Okay, this is the numbers they have given. So first to write the number of digit in each number. So descending is what? Arrangement of numbers from bigger number to smaller number. So which is the bigger number among these 4? 4, 4, 5, 4. 5 is the biggest number. So write that number as first. So this is done. The remaining is what? The 3 numbers, that is 4, 4, 4. So these 4, consider the starting numbers, that is 5, 7, 7. The small bigger number is what? Compared to 5 and 7, 7 is the bigger number. So 7 you have 2 numbers. So what you have to do? Again consider the next number, that is 5 and 8. So which is the bigger number? 8. So that you will be writing next. So this is done. Remaining is these 2. In this, which is the biggest number? 5 or 7? 7 is the biggest. So that you will write next. The remaining is what? 5,000. That you will be writing next. Okay. Next problem. Okay. In this, which is the biggest number you have? 5. 5 you have the biggest number. So in this, which is the bigger? You have to see circle the first digits. In this 4, 8 and 9, which is the bigger number? 9. So that you will be writing first. Next bigger number is 4 and 8, which is the bigger? 8. So that you will be writing next. So remaining is what in 5? Bigger number? 4, 5, 3, 2, 1. So the remaining is what? 1, 9, 7. Okay, this is how you arrange it in descending order. You can take some more examples and solve them. Okay, you can practice them. Okay children, in the previous topics you learned how to arrange the numbers in ascending and descending order and how to find the greatest and smallest number. So let us start with a new topic, that is shifting the digits. What do you mean by shifting? Generally shifting is moving the object or things from one place to another place. So for example, see if there is one ball here in on one table, so there is 2 tables. Okay, so what do you mean by shifting? Shifting this ball from one table to another. This will be shifting to here. So same as you shift the ball, you will be shifting the numbers from one place value to another place value. Okay. For example, if you take a number as 182, you have to make this number large number and also you have to write the small number using this number. Okay. How will you make a larger number? Obviously you know which is the bigger number among these two? 8 will be the biggest number. So this is done. Left in these two, which is the bigger number? That is 2. The remaining is what? 1. So what you have done in this is what? You have shift 8 from which place? That is from tens place to hundreds place. You have shift the number from tens place to 100 place, and you have shift 2 from ones place to tens place, and you have shift 100 from 100 place to ones place. So the rotation and shifting is been happened to arrange the number. Okay. So this is called as shifting. You will be shifting the number from one place to another. So let us find a smaller number with this. So which is the smallest number in 182? 1 will be the smallest number. So after 1, which is the smallest number? 2. Then is 8. So this 182, how did you shift for small number? 2's place you have shift from 1's place to 10's place, and 10's place to 1's place you have shift 8. Okay. This is how you shifted the numbers. Now think about a few more examples of 3-digit number and exchange the digit at 100's place and 10's place and 1's place, and we can form a new numbers using these 3 numbers. Okay. We can also find how to find the greatest and smaller number by shifting the numbers. We'll see few more example. We'll take one more example. That is, for example, we'll take 495. There are 3 numbers. Okay, in this we have to shift the numbers and find the large number. So, which is the large number, which is the biggest number among 7, 9, 5? 9 is the biggest number, so we'll write that as first, and so 9 is going to 100's place. Then which is the bigger number in these two? 7 is the biggest number, so 7 is going to 10's place. Then the remaining is 5, so this will be the larger number. The next, which is the smallest number? 5 is the smallest number among 3, and which is the next is 7, next is 5. So this is how we shifted the numbers and found out.